Yo, what is up? What is up, traders? What is up, guys? What's up, everybody? All right, guys. I'm just getting all the stuff situated. Appreciate all of the early birds. What's good, Emmanuel? Where's Crypto? Martin, Tech. What's good, bro? What is good, guys? Can y'all hear me? Okay. Cool. All right, we're here. We're good to go. All right, let's get the charts up. Do this little Discord announcement. I'm on top of the Discord game. If y'all are in the Discord, man, make sure you join up whenever the Streamlabs bot links it down below. All right, let's get into it, guys. What's up? Welcome in. We will be doing a giveaway at the end of the stream. What you guys have to do to enter the giveaway. Voice good? All right, cool. Appreciate that. All you got to do... Oh, come on, microphone. Stay put. All you got to do to enter the giveaway, guys, is go to that recent YouTube video that I posted earlier today and comment the word reversal, hit the like button, and make sure you're subscribed. And then at the end of the stream, we'll announce that giveaway winner. Anyways, let's talk about y'all, man. How was y'all's trading day? Very choppy day. Will you ever trade fundeds on stream? People kind of prefer that I trade this account, but I mean, I can't trade fundeds. Probably would prefer to trade fundeds, to be honest. It's a lot less stressful. Okay, bro. Appreciate you. Said bad what? What bad? Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. I talked about how y'all did. Yeah, dude, it was choppy as hell. It's just so bad. Oh, you lost the Express. Sorry to hear that, bro. Sorry to hear that. Hopefully we can do decent together as a collective tonight here. Hopefully we can do better. Let's look at some markets. Yeah, bad trading day. Yeah, today seemed... my day was over like well before... I didn't even trade the New York session on this account because I was locked out. I got smacked on last night. This range is so brutal. So brutal. Yo, how's the day going? Pretty good, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you for asking. We're about to have the open here in about 4 minutes. And NQ is up 50 points in the past couple minutes. Kind of ripping. Past 10 minutes, up 50 points. Do you only trade Asia? No, bro. I trade New York session as well, but I only trade Asia here on the YouTube channel. Boom. Oh wait, hold on. Wrong remote. Boom. When will the giveaway winner be announced? End of the stream, guys. End of the stream. I'm going to make you sit here and sit through the torture of watching me trade, watching me take some losing trades for like 2.5 hours. Also, we want to hit a like goal, man. I'm kind of using all the leverage I can. I want to hit a like goal. I would like to hit 500 likes tonight. What did I just say? 500? Okay, I meant like 300. We might do an extra account giveaway separate from the YouTube comment kind of giveaway, but it depends how many likes we get. I'm not going to disclose how many likes I want, but I'm going to keep it in the back of my mind, and if we hit it, I'll let y'all know. It's a lot, though. Probably a record amount. Wait, what giveaway? Okay, anybody just joining in here, guys? First of all, I appreciate you joining. Second of all, I posted a YouTube video earlier today. All you have to do, because we're doing it here on YouTube, the giveaway, all you have to do is go to that video, comment reversal, the word reversal, hit the like button, subscribe, and we will run that later. Just randomly pick somebody that commented. But you do have to be in the stream to claim it. So yeah. We'll do that at the end of the stream. I also want to get to like at least 250, 300 likes. If we do really, really well, we'll do like another giveaway. But it depends. How about this? If I'm green on the session, I'll do another giveaway. plus if we hit the like goal I want to hit. All right, let's lock in, guys. We have the open here in literally a minute. Literally a minute. Top of the hour. Let's see if we get some volatility here. I mean, we're kind of trading right there at kind of the New York session lows here for the most part, where we had most of that support. We're trading right at that level. So we'll see if maybe we want to range tonight. I would not be surprised to see us range back into or kind of trade back into the midpoint or the highs of that New York session range. We literally have like 20, almost, dude, how many hourly candles is this? This is almost like 20 hours of consolidation in this range. So just insane. All right, there's our open. See if we get a quick move here. Yo, what's good, Boosted? What's good, Daily Dose? All right, let's get 2 charts up. Here for the nightly stream. Appreciate you, Sean. Trump speaking. Is he really? Is he really? Oh, we're about 50 points off the session lows right now. Oh, you just left Epcot. Nice, bro. Epcot's my favorite. I was there a couple months ago. I like Soarin'. Okay, let's look at some other markets I have not even really checked. We got Crude pumping, holding structure pretty well here, right at 91. Might see some upside tonight on Crude if we continue holding these levels, I would imagine. Coming off of this hourly support. And gold is kind of slowly pulling back as well. All right, guys, traders, everybody who's joining the YouTube stream, first of all, appreciate you. Second of all, I think we're live on Kick as well. Should be live on Kick as well. But anybody in here that has not yet entered the giveaway, if y'all are wondering how to enter the giveaway, we're giving away a 50K Lucid Flex eval. All that you have to do is like this live stream. I guess it's a lot of stuff. Like this live stream. Go to the recent YouTube video I posted today. Like it. Make sure you're subscribed, which you already should be, and just comment the word reversal. That's all you got to do. Like this stream, like that video, comment reversal. Be subscribed. And we'll pick somebody at the end of the stream. Also, if you don't win the giveaway later, which I hope you do, If you have not yet used Lucid before, get 50% off your first evaluation. I think it's your first and second evaluation if you've never used them, if you're a first time customer with them. If not, I think it's 40% off, which is still good, but hopefully you win it. That'll be at the end of the stream. All right, we have just kind of pumping here a little bit. Do we hold the range? We're commenting the word reversal on the other on the other YouTube video, not this stream. All right. Yo, what's good? Austin on Top Step Live now. Sick, man. All right, all right, all right. All righty. Well, not the most exciting open ever. Crude's gotten a little bit. Crude, I will say, man, if there's one market to look at on these hourly opens, it's Crude. This thing moves here on the hourly opens. Like a 50-cent wiggle right there is pretty big. I really want to short this. What this are we talking about? I'm assuming we're talking about NQ. You want to short NQ. It's hard to, man. We're right in the range. We are right in the range. We've had like 3 days of price acceptance here, still holding that stronger bullish candle that we saw at the beginning of the week. Like, I could see a flip here. We're going on 3 red days in a row, but more or less holding this level. I could see one of these candles flip here, to be honest. What would it take? Okay, so there's no top wick on this daily candle. 50 points. I think that's what I would like to trade. I would like to trade this daily candle red to green at some point, which is 369 essentially, which is not far. It's like at the midpoint of the range pretty much. Well, we'll see if we hold this low, but that's kind of what I'm interested in, to be honest. Just continue to hold the range a little bit. We are at the bottom of the range conveniently. We'll give it, let's say if it wanted to break down, it'll try to do it here at some point in this hourly candle. So we'll see if we can hold structure. If we do, we might try to get into a long. Target a move from red to green on the daily candle, which is like the midpoint of the range. I don't see a lot of hero plays here. Just kind of trade the range a little bit. Also, guys, we'll do the giveaway. If you've already entered, make sure you enter. But we'll do the giveaway. Let's get 200. It's gonna be later, but let's work on getting to 200 likes. Let's work on getting to 200 likes. Chad, how do you get viewers on Kick? I have nobody in the Kick chat right now. That is depressing. All right, NQ trying to break a little bit higher here. How do we enter? Go to the most previous YouTube video that I just posted this morning. Comment the word reversal. Hit the like button. And then at the end of the stream, we'll pick somebody's YouTube channel name. But you got to be in the stream to claim it. That'll be at the end of the stream. What's going on? What's good, Bam? What is good? Evening. What's good, Mike? What is good, traders? Just waiting to see if we hold the lows here on NQ. Humble, go comment, go leave the comment, go leave a comment on the YouTube video, the recent YouTube video reversal, not on the live stream. We'd be trading gold too. Maybe so. I don't really see a ton of potential on gold, although. Having said that, I mean, I don't see a lot on NQ either. Gold's in an interesting spot here because if we want to continue going lower here, we've had. Yeah, this was initially, if you got into that initial pump early, that was a good daily candle to trade long. Last night was a good daily candle to trade long up until the point we got rejected. And then now we're sitting kind of right in the middle with all of that rejected range above us. So it's hard to have much of a bias on gold, to be completely honest. The rejection shallow though. Okay, yeah, I like that. I like that context. What, this daily candles wick? Yeah, we could. That's what I'm saying. It's just a little bit. You're talking about this rejection? Yeah, it's I don't know. It's a little bit aggressive, but at the same time, this is still figuring out if we're gonna like hold this low or if we want to trade back into it and then put in like a higher low somewhere, maybe under 4400s. I mean, you just had two pretty massive moves the past week and a half on gold, so you could see gold even kind of, as funny as it sounds, maybe start to range around a little bit today. Just my opinion, though. I gotta achieve 12.5K. Dude, if you got a payout, you should just take the payout, bro. Trust. If you have a payout, just take that payout for sure. Gold's pulling back a little bit here. My fund of futures pro account payout is whatever amount above the buffer, correct? I believe so. I think you have to trade it for 14 winning days. I believe so. They say you can take a 100K payout, but I don't know if you can only take like 50% of your account balance out, because I know Alpha has that with those accounts that you can take 15K payouts out of. I know Alpha has that, so I'm not sure what my fund of futures has, but yeah, there's no payout caps from what I've heard. I just don't know if they have it where it's like, here we go, NQ's pumping. I just don't know if they have it where it's like, okay, you can take a max payout of 100K, but you can only take 50% of your balance out up to 100K. I don't know. I haven't looked into it enough to be honest, but because I mean, if that's the case, it's like the best account ever. No winning days needed. Oh, you don't even need winning days. You just need 14 days. Wow, gold just turned around 15 points quick as heck. So if I make 10K one day, I get easy payout. That's crazy. I'm not sure exactly. You got to go read up on it to be honest. I want to say I think, but I can't give you a solid answer on that. I think they do say they don't want you to make 10K in a day. I think they do it like my take profit trader. If you make 10K in a day, they'll just like move you to a live account. I feel like I do remember reading something about don't make 10K in a day, or if you do, you're gonna like get into a live account, something like that. Look at gold here, just ripping. So is NQ. All right, guys. Can we get 100 likes going early? Once again, we're doing the giveaway at the end of the stream. NQ is holding this low on the hourly and not really giving us a lot of opportunity to get into it. It is holding though. It is holding. Gold is ripping as well. Gold is up literally 20 points in a couple minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah, man, Inky's ripping right now. Good night. This is going to get really uninteresting really fast once we get back to the middle of this range. Like, this looks great, man, but we are approaching the middle of the fattest range ever. Like, how can you... What a rip. What a rip. What a rip. Yeah, no, we can't get involved in the middle. That's the thing. We can't get involved in the middle. That's why I'm saying, like, I'm afraid that the most interesting part of this session might be the first 15 minutes here, then we just chop around the range. Okay, we got 220 people in here, guys. Let's get 100 likes also. We're doing a giveaway for a Lucid Flex 50K evaluation account. Okay, Lucid Flex is awesome, man, because once again with these, whoever wins the account, no activation fee. I think it'd be crazy to give you an account that you have to pay an activation fee. No activation fee. right? If you pass, or when you pass, you can pass in as little as 2 days. You can literally activate the account, get it funded the same day. So somebody's going to win that bad boy at the end of the stream. All you have to do is help me hit this kind of main like goal right now on this stream. We're trying to get to like 200. Just help. Hit the like button. Also, go to the most recent YouTube video I uploaded this morning. Like that. Comment the word reversal. And then at the end of the stream, we're going to pick somebody at random that commented that word reversal. Okay. Okay. This first pullback on NQ is getting bought, chat. I mean, it's still tempting because if we are seriously going to hold these hourly lows, like, yeah, we're getting back in the range, but there's still a lot of room within this range to, like, if we are getting back to the highs, it's still kind of worth it, semi worth it. It's got like 150 points of upside. The midpoint's another 50 points of upside. So that's what we're looking at. Chad, follow the chat. Comment the word reversal on the recent YouTube video, not here. I don't think I'm going to be able to explain it without people doing it. On the most recent YouTube video, go comment the word reversal. Got you, bro. Appreciate that. What time did your live start? 25 minutes ago this one started, so like 7 Central. All right, gold's getting hit a little bit here. 33 to 23. And popping it right back up. It's kind of crazy to think that we're 100 points up right here. Like if you have, oh man, where do you put your stop loss? Like honestly, where do you put your stop loss? You want to see the hourly lows hold. Like you could put it at like 50% of the range that we just pulled through. Like that doesn't necessarily invalidate the trade, but we're 100 points higher here. It's kind of difficult to get in. We are waiting. I'm waiting for a pullback. If I can get a pullback, I might take the trade. I might take the trade back through 24,000. Yeah, it's just ripping. Look at that, 88. Yo, Halo, appreciate the follow, Halo. I think that's a kick follow, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. It's a bot, but hey, it's still a follow. It's a bot, but it's still a follow. Appreciate that. Man, this thing's just ripping. How are we going to get into this bad boy? Appreciate that, David. I think we see 400s before any type of... I mean, we're pulling pretty aggressively back into this range right here. It seems like we want to hold. We're seeing buyers off that hourly demand there at 280s. I mean, we're just still holding the range. Dude, it is just ripping. Where do you get into this bad boy? Let's try it. We'll try it. I'll give it a shot. I mean, we're seeing increasing volume as we pull back into this range. I'll get long on it. My stop's at like the midpoint of it. See if we can squeeze back to the highs of the range here. Not an advisable entry, chat. Not an advisable entry. At all. At all. I've got my stop under that structure that held at 360 before we saw really strong buying back through the 400s. Seems like we're gaining volume though as we push into the range again, so this looks good. Do we get the continuation, or does this market just fold on us like it always does? That's the question. Highs are at 410. Holding the 90s well. This looks pretty damn good. Holding 90s pretty well. Need to recess to that 410 level. Anybody just joining into the stream, guys, if y'all want to enter in to the giveaway for free to enter a 50K Lucid Flex eval account, all you have to do is hit the like button on this stream, then go to my channel, that most recent YouTube video I just uploaded, comment the word reversal on that, and hit the like button, and then we'll pick somebody at random at the end of the stream to give away that account to. All right, added 2 more on this 90 dip. See if we just lose all of this momentum here or not. The expectation would be that we move back to the high of the range now that we're holding the lows. Seen some pretty damn good volume. Pretty damn good volume. It was like in this on the 5-minute. Look at this curve on the 5-minute. Like, look at this curve. Okay, volume increasing. Okay, more volume, a lot more volume, a lot more volume. That's a nice look. Now we just need to hold that higher low and move higher. Still holding the 90s pretty well. Hey, Julian, appreciate the follow. Julian, appreciate it. Imagine we retrace all the pump. Don't say that, bro. I honestly could. That's been what's happening more often than not in this market, honestly. We get like a really clean pump, and then that first initial pullback just doesn't ever get bought. We just fade it all. Could happen. I would not be that surprised. I would not be that surprised. The magic of leaving your computer. You don't like what you're seeing, just don't look at it. Step away from the computer. Yo, Shantae, appreciate the follow. Yo, we got 320 people in here. All right, so if y'all don't know, we're doing a giveaway at the end of the stream, everybody. All we need to do is get to 250 likes. Go to my most recent YouTube video, comment the word reversal. REVERSAL, reversal. Hit the like button. I'm going to pick one of those comments from that video. Oh, my bad, Howard. It seemed like a bot comment. All right, all right, all right, all right. Literally, guys, it's this video right here, man. Go to this video, comment the word reversal on it. Like it, comment the word reversal. I'm gonna pick somebody in the comment section of that video. Simple, easy stuff, right? To possibly win a free account. Hopefully you win a free account. We to pass an Apex eval tonight or what? We might be able to do that. That's definitely a more affordable thing to do. Boy, do I hate waiting. I hate waiting. When we select into the stream. In the meantime, we're trying to get to 250 likes on the stream. Also, by the way, that video is sauce, so you should just watch it. To be honest, to be completely honest, you should just watch it. But also, Shit. Just comma reversal, man. Yes, sir. All right. We are still in this NQ trade. I like how we're not seeing a crazy immediate rejection from this level. Doing pretty well holding the 90s. So I like this for continuation. I like how we're holding the 90s, but we still need to continue. Like, this is great and all, but if we don't see buyers attempt a break higher, then eventually it's just going to get faded. It's kind of how these rallies work. Like, you're trying to take a momentum long here. You try to buy that first shallow pullback. This would have been a better entry, obviously, but that's behind us now. Do say, though, like, you do want to see some stronger continuation here. I like how we're holding, but we still need to see that attempt to push highs. You need to see that attempt to push highs right here. Right here. There's a difference, you know. There's a difference between holding a level and holding level and attempting to push higher, right? Right now we're just holding level. Which isn't horrible, but still. All right, 90s. Let's see if you want to hold here. This, unfortunately, is super common in this overnight session. You'll see some quick moves where we move, 50, 60 points in a couple minutes, and then it's unfortunately like double to triple that amount of time just to kind of consolidate, decide whether we want to continue breaking out or sell off. The pace can be a little bit inconsistent. Would you move your stop? Not until we break above 410. If we break above 410, I would potentially move my stop here, yes. It would be a little early here because I literally talked about this in the YouTube video. We have a continuation move here, then we have retracement, then a continuation move here, then retracement. So as we're still forming retracement, I mean, we could come down and wick and still keep going before we get another continuation move. So it wouldn't really be, until we get another continuation move out of this level, I wouldn't suggest putting my stop any higher. As long as we continue to hold this higher low, then we're fine. I will say, though, for something that I really wanted to see more momentum on, we have come to a screeching halt. I mean, it's holding well here, don't get me wrong, but once again, holding and actually attempting to break through is just different. I think when you get into a trade this high, you can, but you really prefer to see more momentum than this, to be honest. It's kind of dry for me. But we'll trust the process. You do want to see more momentum when you get in a less favorable entry like this, which we had at the time, and it looked really good. And then we kind of once again came to a screeching halt, which is sometimes a little bit harder to predict. I guess that move was pretty extended. Hey, Michael, appreciate the follow on YouTube. Yep, this might get pretty ugly if we don't hold here. What other trade is there to be? What other trade is there though? To be completely honest, I think it's about the only trade today. I mean, you could buy it a little bit lower possibly, but we will see. We either hold this high or low, hold the bottom of the range on the hourly and push back to the highs of the range, or I guess take me out, retest the low. I just chop around ultimately. Average down, low key? Nah, I'm not gonna average down. Gotta see buyers hold this level of the 80s, high 70s. If we don't, this thing could get faded all the way back down. It really depends. I think it'll tell us a lot based on how aggressive this hourly candle wick becomes. No, I legit think it might dump on us here. Dude, there's got to be a strategy in just selling every NQ pump ever. Buy a few more. I'll buy a few more if it goes my direction, but if it's not going my direction, I'm not going to add to it. All right, guys, let's get to 150 likes. What's good, Fade? Would you DCA if it starts reversing back up? That's a good question. If we see like a really aggressive low get put in and some strong buying, I might consider buying it back, buying it back, buying it back. But then I would need to have this. I would need to pull the stop loss up because I wouldn't want to risk. If I'm currently risking 320, if I start buying it back, I would want to move this up until it matches the current risk. Yeah, NQ just seems like it's going to fade here. This is not a very confident looking pullback. We might just fade here. Just ran up really aggressively, tested that midpoint, is now just in a slow bleed lower. Not looking good, to be honest. Not looking good. Do you do giveaways on the channel? Yeah, we're doing a giveaway tonight. At the end of the stream, we're doing a giveaway. All you guys have to do is go to this recent YouTube video that I just uploaded and comment the word reversal on it. Hit the like button. And then at the end of the stream, we'll pick somebody. Sell every pump on NQ! Forever! Literally just sell every pump on NQ. They'll give you a 100-point push that looks just incredible, and then they'll just slow fade it like that, just agonizing. Still confident in this trade. We're like 10 points from being pretty much doomed. Not really confident. I get less confident in it the closer it gets to my stop. Not really confident in it at this point. We'll see. It's just a slow fade. It's just like really clean push and then a slow fade right off the midpoint. Right off the midpoint. Yeah, this looks pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. Somebody said full port now. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. But initially, as soon as they said that, we did bounce 10 points. We'll see if our stop's good here, man. I mean, we will see. We're just in that slow fade. No, dude. It's kind of make or break right here. So I like the idea of whoever's trying to get long there, because really the invalidation can be like just under the low. But yeah, we need to get bought to the 80s here desperately. When's the last time we had like a really aggressive sell-off in the overnight session? Has it been a minute? I feel like I've been not paying attention to the last time we've had a really aggressive sell-off. Most of those have been happening in like London. Yo, Abreu, appreciate the follow on YouTube. It's kind of getting smoked around the 70s. She's kind of getting smoked around the 70s, not gonna lie. Said Trump is talking. Trump is still talking, really. These 70s feel like they're about to get smacked. I'll tell you what, bro. In all my years of trading, I've never been so unconfident in taking long trades in this market. I don't think I've ever been this unconfident being a long trader. Damn it. Y'all know what I mean? Anybody agree? Say aye if you agree with that statement. There used to be some security a little bit, just like, go long, and there are the indexes. Nah, not anymore, bro. Gonna get smoked. Look at this thing. We might dump through 70s here. All the... we literally might go to 0 right now. That's how I feel whenever this piece of junk dumps on me. I'm like, oh, we're going to go to zero now, man. We're going to go to zero. Okay, guys, anybody just joining into the YouTube stream, make sure I'll hit the like button, traders. Also, to be eligible for the giveaway, okay, we have some volatility here. We need to reclaim that high. I don't want to see an exhaustion wick here at 87, then we push back into these lows. That would be worst case scenario, and I think that's what's gonna happen. Hit the like button, guys, because we are doing a giveaway at the end of the stream. Go to my most recent YouTube video, not this stream, the most recent YouTube video. Comment the word reversal. Hit the like button. I'm gonna pick somebody from the YouTube chat. We are getting some movement here. This is getting a little fidgety. Your entry is a bit high. The entry is a bit high, isn't it? Piece of crap entry. I don't know. I kind of didn't expect to give 50% of the range back, to be completely honest. In fact, if we can't hold 50% of this rally, it's like a little bit gross. Yeah, we might get smoked here. He said, I thought you were short, bro. No. Thought you usually wait for VWAP. I do, man, but this was kind of a momentum play. It's easy to get faked out when you think you see momentum in this market. I thought I saw some clean momentum for like some quicker follow through. I mean, we did. This was clean momentum. We had increasing volume here. It looked great. I just got faked out a little bit on a play that just was expecting a much more shallow pullback, and on a slow bleed like that, I wanted a little bit of a quicker trade. But yeah, we might flush here. I misinterpreted the momentum of that move a little bit. Yeah, this is just like slowly bleeding through the 70s. Cannot find buyers to put in a higher low on it. It's got to be the absolute worst whenever you get like such an impressive move up, and then the fade is just like slow and choppy. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Yep, we're flying through the air right now. This is not good. I don't like this long anymore, to be honest. In fact, I kind of like it short, but I wouldn't dare try to get in this low. Short. I don't like this anymore. It looks like crap. Pow! Somebody play the pow song, the pow sound effect. Pow! Rip. Well, we don't like the longs, obviously. Could have told you that. All right, let's just see what happens here. Like I said, I don't know, man. I think I see this at initial, like, first glance, and I'm like, this is the only trade to be taken, is a trade back to the top of the range. I don't see anything else tonight. So maybe I try to force it a little bit and try to get in there and make something happen for the stream. I don't know. I don't see anything else here, to be honest. With how rangy it is, it's like, okay, we're holding the hourly lows. Let's try to get the move back to the top of the range. Because now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, now I don't like anything that I'm seeing. But yeah, I got smoked on that one. Totally smoked. Tell you what, this pullback just feels so aggressive. I don't see it. I don't see it getting bought anymore. I mean, we have a lower high here on the hourly as well. Failed break above these 90s. I'd be very surprised to see us bid back to the 400s off of this sell-off, to be honest. That's kind of why the stop was there, so I don't mind being out of it. I don't see it getting bought higher, so I don't mind being out of it. What happened to the days that we could just see a clean rally and just buy the damn dip on it without fading 100 points in 40 minutes? Yep, see, we're flushing it. Like I said, I like that stop. When you see, like, if it's going to be kind of a breakout and we're going to run back all the way, we have plenty of range here to go. If we're going to get to the hourly highs, There's just no reason that this should be pulling back to like 50% of that, the midpoint of that rally. Just pointless. It's weak. In my opinion, it's weak. So I'm happy to be out of it because now we're flushing. Look at this piece of junk. You know what I think really sucks, bro, is that the market will literally run like 100 points effortless, and then it just comes all like. Man, those range traders got to be killing it in this market. Like, there's got to be some range traders that are just killing it in this market. I mean, just with ease, just like as if nothing ever. Here we go. Might see the 40s here in a second. Probably will. Good Lord. We might see the 40s here. There's 40. 49. See, I like the stop out. The stop out was up here. Could have been worse, I guess, right? All right, anybody else have an interesting market to look at besides NQ's pathetic ass just dumping off the entire rally? Everything's ranging. But yeah, look at this hourly on NQ. It's gonna leave. We have this hourly candle's gonna close in 5 minutes with just the most disgusting wick here. Closing damn near close to the lows on the hourly. See if that next hourly opens up and kind of pulls down, maybe breaks the structure here on the hourly. Would not be surprised. Pepe coin. Gonna hold that now and go up 50% of 50. I don't think we're gonna hold this, to be honest. I don't see it. We had a chance to break. We didn't even get past the midpoint of the range on the hourly, and we're seeing just heavy sellers. We'll see. I think this new hourly candle open is gonna tell us a lot, but this doesn't look good. This doesn't look good at all. Not that I'm surprised. It's just market is just so weak, man. I'm not surprised to see it sell off like this, but good night. I just haven't been in a shorting mood recently, you know? Did y'all catch a short on the NQ trade? I know a couple people were saying they're fading that. I tell you what, bro. It takes some cojones to be able to just short that strength. But I mean, it just good ass trade. I mean, it was strong up until it wasn't. I might have started to become interested in that kind of as we just were bleeding into this structure here and maybe take a breakdown. But all right, we got this hourly candle in 3 minutes. What it's looking like is, well, an aggressive wick right at the midpoint of the range. There's the longs. I still don't think this holds. I could be crazy, though. A little bounce off VWAP, but especially with this, we'll see what happens. I don't really see that getting bought. We have a failed higher. Like, you're looking at this structure on the tick chart. We have a failed higher high here. It just doesn't look good at all. I think the only thing giving us a bit of hesitation right now is that VWAP's right here, but I still see us breaking it. We'll see what this hourly looks like. Yo, what's good, Cut? Any funded payouts recently? Dude, no. I've gotten very close, though, and then just been stupid. I almost had one today. You would not believe if I told you how close I've been to a couple payouts on funded accounts recently. I'm like painfully close. And then I'm like not sizing down whenever I'm this close. Just oof, so bad. All right, chatters. Let's get to 200 likes. Once again, guys. Enter that giveaway for the Lucid 50K eval. We're doing the giveaway at the end of the stream. Doing the giveaway at the end of the stream. All right, we got this hourly opening up here. Got 2 payouts from Lucid and I was blowing them up. Yeah, that's the cycle, bro. That's the cycle right there. Appreciate that, honey. All right, new hourly open. Let's see what BS they want to pull here. Just gonna float up through this previous wick, maybe. How do we enter giveaway? Go to my channel in this recent video right here. Just comment the word reversal and hit the like button on that. You'll be entered in the giveaway. Kind of wanted to try to get short to trade this back into the VWAP here if we respect that hourly wick, pull back into the lows of the range. But we're seeing so much exhaustion on this, like with that failed breakout here, just a lot of weakness. So if I can get a pretty tight fill up here for short, I want to try to take that. I want to try to trade this back through the VWAP. Possibly if we break it, maybe the lows. I'm gonna play it with a very tight stop. And we just rip it. Let's see. I don't want this to get back above 90s, to be honest. I'd love to just get... What a great entry. Just love to get a rip through the entry on that. I don't like how quickly that order filled, to be honest. Would have much preferred to creep up to that level. All right, so I'm in short. I'm looking for an aggressive dump back into the VWAP. I wouldn't mind trying to get out and get back in if I can. I just don't know what the likelihood of that is. We might be selling the top of this hourly candle, but I'm not too sure. Looks like a nice entry, thank you. It was a little sketchy. I just ran through that entry, but let's see. If we can get back under the 60s, that would be a good start. We want to see this hourly flip red. We flip red here at 55 right here. You don't like the trade only? What's wrong with the trade? All right, I got out of it. Hopefully we don't just flush it. I'm gonna assume that I can get another entry on this bad boy. I'm gonna put the same exact trade in. Why? Because honestly, NQ tends to give you multiple opportunities before it actually decides to go your direction. I could be totally wrong, but more often than not, you get another opportunity to get in. I'm a fan of if you can take it, take it. I'm a fan of if you can take it, take it. Say 7 times out of 10, I come back up and can get another fill on this trade. But we'll see if this is the one time it isn't the case. Imagine. That's always how it seems to go. Y'all know that. The one time you actually try to like, okay, let me take profit, then I'm gonna get back in again. The one time you try to do that. Okay, guys, we got 430 people in here, guys. Let's get to 200 likes. At the end of the stream, we're doing a 50K Lucid Flex eval giveaway. Those are the accounts I trade. I trade the 150Ks, but I get some 50Ks lined up to give away to y'all. Are we just going to flush without tagging me back in? Appreciate that, KPM. This is going to be the one time I don't get a chance to get back in. I'm sure of it. How do you join the giveaway? Great question. Go to my YouTube channel, click on my YouTube channel right now, hit this most recent video, and like it and comment the word reversal. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. Also, I had some people that were like missing the kick streams. The kick streams are back, bro. I've got one person in there. Rip. That's going to be a hard platform to grow, but hey. Why kick? Because I can do YouTube and kick. Why not? I'm actually live right now on, yeah, no ads, cool. I'm on YouTube, Kick, and TikTok right now. Appreciate that, honey. Yep, appreciate that, Jolanta. Yes, sir. Love to hear that tap. Yeah, we got TikTok up right now, but I honestly don't read any of the comments. There's just too much other stuff going on for me to read the comments on TikTok. But I appreciate everybody in there. We got like 80 people in there. Guys, if we get 300 likes, I'll do 2 giveaways tonight. If we get 300 likes, I'll do 2 giveaways tonight. 300. Deal? Any news with that pullback? Nothing. Just a BS market that has no sack. Can't hold its weight. Log into your burner accounts. Hit the like button. I want to do too because I want to do the damn duck race. Always wonder traders who trade live, does it help or affect their trading? I think it keeps me more disciplined. Because when I'm not live, I'm not quite as disciplined as I am right here, to be honest. You tend not to do as dumb shit when you're live. I still do dumb shit though. Are you long? Nope. I am right now. I'm flat with in order to get short here. At 376. That's where I was short a little bit earlier. I had taken that trade. I took some profit off, and I'm hoping to get another fill on it. All right, let's see if we can get past 60s. Might go get filled into the 70s. Wait, how do I let me do it. Let me pin a comment. Let me pin a comment. That way everybody can be on the right page. Did I say 300 likes? Alrighty. What's your thought process on the queue with the short? This is the same exact trade I had taken earlier. The ultimate idea is for us to, once again with this failed breakout here, seeing a lot of exhaustion below the midpoint of the range. Just trying to trade this back down to session lows, possibly under VWAP. Just looking for kind of that rotation back to these lows. But this is the same exact trade we had on earlier. I just ended up taking it once it was green and then putting it back on. Because more often than not, you tend to get these second entries on NQ. I don't know if I'll get it here, but we'll see. Everybody, if y'all are looking to try to get funded and potentially earn a payout, use code BPC on all prop firms. Lucid, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Alpha, Apex. I think Apex is 90% off right now. Don't quote me. If not 90, then 85% off. They have the new end of day accounts, which is kind of insane. Dude, we're only 13 minutes into this hourly candle, and I feel like it opened ages ago. I feel like this hourly candle opened ages ago. I mean, we were talking about taking this trade off that previous hourly close, and this open like feels like 30 minutes ago. I happened to log into my Apex account, found a PA I forgot about. Hopefully you passed it. I've done that before. I've like forgotten about accounts. Yeah, everybody on TikTok, All the viewers on TikTok, we're live on YouTube, BPC Trades. That's where you have to be to possibly win this free account that we're going to be giving away in probably an hour or two. So you need to be in there. You have to be in there if you want to potentially win this free account. We might do 2 free accounts. Like I said, if we get to 300 likes, we'll do 2 accounts. All right, let's check out some other markets here. Gold trending a little bit to the upside. Crude a little bit of a grind up through 91. All right, NQ's fading a little bit. I don't know if we're gonna get this re-entry, man. Ooh, look at gold. Gold getting a little bit of volume up off the top here. 40s down to 25s. Pretty decent move. NQ's slamming lower. All right, NQ's testing VWAP again here at the 40s. Gold is still getting smashed here off the highs. Any dip buyers on NQ down here? I don't see it, man. I think this could get pretty ugly. As a matter of fact, if we can't hold VWAP right here. We didn't get filled again. That's crazy, man. I feel like every time I don't do that, we I don't know. I feel like every time I don't partial out and get out and just take the profit, we come back and test my entry again, and then when I do it, it just never comes back. Heck yeah, we got 200 likes. Dude, 100 more likes. 100 more likes to get 2 giveaways tonight. Hey man, new to trading. What's good? Ladra on Lucid. Currently copy trading 2 on Lucid. Yeah, nice. That's what we're doing. We're doing a Lucid account giveaway. W Lucid. All right. All right. All right. NQ trying to hold view up here. 38. I've got the midpoint of this range marked out in like blue, because now we're rejecting like the mid. We couldn't get to the top of the range. I'm not saying we can't get there, but we did now reject the midpoint. So if we're gonna get a breakout, maybe a lower high here, then we just kind of maybe even just chop through these lows a little bit more, you know? That's kind of what it looks like. If we can't get back above 400s, that is. I mean, there's an argument for getting long here. Like maybe we hold this range, but you just have to anticipate we're not going to cliff dive here on NQ, which is sometimes a little difficult. Maybe we hold session lows for a little bit longer, hold the range a little bit. I can see the argument for it. Just, man, NQ feels sketchy. We have a little bit of time, though. Some of the bigger moves have happened in London. So, I mean, you might have a couple hours before things get insane. I feel like we have not had a headline in too long. No talks with the United States. Jonathan Stocks. Hi, he says. Hey, appreciate the dono, Jonathan Stocks. How are you doing? Finding some buyers here off the 30s. Nothing crazy yet, but some buyers here. Let's see if they can sustain above the VWAP right here. Like the video in this account. I hope you win it, bro. I hope you win it. We're like 95 likes away. We'll get there. We will get there. And Crude gets into these ranges in the overnight and it just holds so well. Just holds so well. Like that's a very stable range. And it's getting frequent test. Like just very, very stable range. Maybe you can short it back here. You guys want to try? I kind of want to try that. Call me crazy. I'm gonna try to take a range trade on Crude for scientific purposes. For scientific purposes. For scientific purposes, I'm gonna try this range trade on Crude. Seems to be respecting these ranges so well. I've been watching it like every night, and yeah, it respects these ranges like very, very well. We're at the top of the range. We'll try that range trade. I do not mind trying that range trade. Oh, NQ getting a little quick. Let's see. We want to see NQ needs to hold above VWAP right here, to be honest. If it gets sold back under VWAP, it's not good. Is it just me or these market conditions incredibly difficult to trade? It's not just you. These market conditions are tough. Yo, what's good? What's good, Kid Vods? What's up, my man? What is up? Come on, Crude. Hold the range. Hold the range one time. Let me get a range trade one time, Crude. The one time I take it, it's not going to range, imagine. I might just become a Crude range trader if this works out. All right, we're watching in Q2 as well. We are watching in Q2 as well. Guys, if y'all have not yet entered the giveaway, go to my channel. This newest video right here, just hit the like button on it and comment the word reversal. And y'all will be, I'm going to choose a random comment at the end of the stream. Somebody's going to win a free Lucid account giveaway. Also doing another account giveaway at 300 likes. 300 likes. How much do we trust the range, chatters? Make it interesting. I'll make it a little bit interesting here. Okay, NQ. I think a little bit of a push on NQ would be pretty decent for this Crude trade to trade back into the lows of the range here. Once again, anybody just joining in, we're looking to catch a range trade on Crude. We're at the top of the range. I could probably tighten the stop up as well, but give it some room for kind of just a little pop if we still hold that. Generally looking to hold under 92 here. But we've got a range from low 91 to mid 91s. Looking to take that range trade. Also watching NQ because NQ could set a bit of a range too. I don't want to expect everything to range, but right now that's what we're looking at. Crude is, though, very obvious range. It could break out on me, but obviously very, very, very stable range at the moment. We saw a push out of the open on NQ of like literally 100 points. It was really strong. And then it's just been, and that was 5, 10, 15 minutes. It has been now like 2 hours of just slowly cliff diving. Here we go. NQ selling off a little bit here. 36, 35. Not looking good. Yeah, NQ's getting a little bit damaged here. 30s now. It's hard. It's just hard to feel confident about taking a dip buy on this thing, man. With like this is just a great stage to like set the stage for a clean dip buy opportunity. And when you see it just fade like this with no like just no buying incentive anywhere, like where are the buyers? This pattern I hate the most. When you see like a really aggressive move and it's just like the slowest bleed ever. Those are tricky. I find more often than not it ends up just once it's gotten to the point where it's like literally retraced the entire strong move, it usually just continues a little bit lower past that point and then decides to do whatever it's going to do next. So I don't like NQ here, but 10-point pop off the lows. Crude might want to work this range. Let's see it. Let's see it. Give me that range. Give me that range. Yeah, this crude trade might work out here. If we can get under 30s, let's go fill the range out a little bit. Yo, we got 500 people in here. Guys, read the pinned comment. If we get to 300 likes, one of y'all for free. I mean, you're entered into the giveaway at this point. We're doing 2 giveaways potentially tonight if we get to that like goal. First giveaway is if you go to that recent video I just uploaded 7 hours ago, hit the like button and comment the word reversal on it. I'm going to pick a random comment to win a 50K Lucid Flex eval. Those are really solid accounts. You can pass them as little as 2 days, no activation fees, and you can activate them the same day you pass it. You can activate it and get it funded. Same day, literally within hours. So that's pretty sick. And then the other giveaway, we'll just do like a raffle based giveaway for a different one. Maybe a duck race at the end of the stream. But we need to hit the like goal of 300. Things are slow right now. I don't hate the crude trade I'm in though. I don't hate this range. This range looks very solid. Can I randomly pick yours? Look, I hope everybody wins, bro. Somebody's going to win it. Somebody's going to win it. All right, come on, Crude. Let's do this thing. Let's do this thing, Crude. Do the duck race. We will probably do the duck race. We will probably do the duck race. Yo, Ram, appreciate the follow. Dylan with the follow on YouTube. Everybody on TikTok, if y'all want a chance to win these giveaways here in like the next hour, hour and a half, you got to be in the YouTube. BPC Trades on YouTube. Got to be there because I'm choosing YouTube handles. So like you have to be in the YouTube. All right, we're seeing 35s here. We might be able to go push the lows here. Here we go. Maybe so. Can this just be the one time we get like an outlier move and just freaking break the range? That would be incredible. All right, 26, 26. I'm looking at VWAP here. Is this true VWAP? Somebody have Crude's VWAP right now? Like actual VWAP? 23. We could hold VWAP. All right, let's see. Okay, this is coming down clean. This is where we don't want to be greedy. We want to take some off around the lows. I'd say the true lows are a little bit lower than this, though. A little bit under the 20s, probably the 10s, 12s. Let's see. Let's see if we can catch this bad boy. I don't think that's a greedy exit. I think that's like the true low of the range, more or less. It's a range. It's like an ascending range. So we're holding higher lows. I don't think it's a greedy exit by any means. I don't think it is. Some people might call this greedy. I don't think it's greedy at all. What do y'all think? It looks nice on the 5-minute. I like this on the 5-minute. We just had a decent little closure on the 5-minute. Nice strong 5-minute candle close right there, right at the 20s. Let's see if we can get this push into the 18, 17, 16s. A little bit lower. NQ dumping a bit. Ooh, that's not good for my crude trade, is it? A little bit. Yeah, maybe VWAP is the right spot there. I mean, we have been holding these two. Maybe yeah, I should have probably gotten out of that. In hindsight, I should have gotten out of VWAP. Man, it's just I never know with these ranges. Like, where's the absolute spot I need to be getting out of this piece of junk? Never seems to go the couple extra ticks to get. Ugh. I guess VWAP was a decent spot to get out, huh? Crap. Maybe I should have gotten out of VWAP. I guess that's a bad execution on me. Off there for sure. Jeez, man, it's just like a couple points. It's always a couple points with these range trades. And it never does seem to go to the low of the range. It always seems to like kind of hold that higher low before it breaks out. Super frustrating. Just super frustrating. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about the exit here? Is that a greedy exit? I do not think that's a greedy exit at all. I think that's more or less the low of the range. Ranges are so tricky, man, especially in hindsight. They're tricky. Like, this is more like this is very much the midpoint here of the range, which I agree kind of maybe takes some off of the midpoint, but like, come on now. That ain't the low of the range, bro. Crude going lower. I hope so. I'm in short. $60 more likes for giveaway. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. NQ getting bought off that low 39s. This crude trade, I don't know. I just feel like it's so tight right next to the entry at this point. Maybe I should have just gotten out of the VWAP, to be honest. These range trades, man. Yo, what's good, trader? What's good, trader? I mean, we still might be okay, but ugh. Little flash to the 30s. Let's get back under 30s, and we might be talking again. We might be on talking terms if we can get under 30s. Crude. Okay, looking good. Let's get under 30s. NQ's trying to bottom out a little bit here. Mwah, love you, Crude. Let's break this 20 level now. Famous last words. Famous last words before this thing rips. Absolutely rips. NQ's breaking out here. NQ is breaking out here. Come on, brother. Get under the 20s. We know you want to. Sometimes it feels a little too obvious when NQ starts pumping like that. We held it again. We held the 20s again. Oh, it's so agonizing. Yeah, we might stop out on this one. We're having a lot of trouble like getting back to the lows of the range. Maybe a breakout on Crude's coming up here if we bounce back above 40. But we're break even. We'll see what happens. It's just this is a struggle right here. This 20 level. Crude giving you second chance? Yeah. Maybe so. It's just it's hard. Like I don't feel like I'm following the plan to take it off right at the middle of the range. Although yeah, it is kind of holding the VWAP. I think at this point we're break even. We'll just let it ride. It's so weird that these range trades, like it feels like very much like I'm not following the plan if I take it off at the middle of the range. I don't know, you know? That's what it feels like to me. But at the same time, see profit, take profit, right? Give us some more space on the top? Fuck no. We're break even at this point, man. Fuck no. Takes me out, it takes me out. I would argue that it's having too much trouble getting back to the lows anyways. No way that camera went out already. I swear I just touched it. I hate when that happens. I understand what you're saying there, Hammer, but I've already gone break even. And truthfully, I do think it's hard to completely break all this down because it is just ultimately chopping around, but it's having so much trouble getting under the VWAP here that it starts to look maybe more like a breakout, if anything. Why do you need to touch the camera? It turns off every 30 minutes. And when it goes black like that, it just gives me so much OCD. Yeah, we should have gotten out again. I don't know. Is that the right spot? This technically on paper feels like the right spot to get out right here. Let's draw it out. This is what I'm seeing. This feels like the right spot here, like 15, 14. But at the same time, man, what's a couple points? Just get the hell out. Just get out. Just get out. Dude, we're getting, like, how did we not get taken out of this bad boy? That's incredible. Did we double down on this bad boy and just add in? Now or never. Now or never. Yo, Schwan, appreciate that. FTO bad. Appreciate that. Ram, Dylan. We're also live on Kick. Some new followers on Kick. And this starts to look so good. Oh boy. What market has the most teas? I would say Crude has the most teas to it. I think Crude has the most teas to it. Yeah, we're going to get taken out of this bad boy. Hi. I liked the idea. And truthfully, it is having a lot of trouble now getting to the lows, so maybe we do break out. I don't hate it. Like, is that the spot to get out there? Let's look at this bad boy. Like, this is really what's happening right here. Yeah, this just doesn't feel like the lows of the range. Like, this is where I would have loved to get out, right here. Instead, we just kind of hold, yeah, I don't know. Oh, well. Range trades are difficult. Range trades, in my opinion, are so difficult. Like, the nuances of range trades. Damn, dude, this is a slow night, guys. Let's try to speed run the like goal. Let's get to 300 likes so we can do these giveaways. What are we waiting for? Let's get to 300 likes so we can do these giveaways, because I'm not really seeing a ton that I want to trade anymore. I like the Crude trade. We've already gotten out of that. Crude might actually get a bit of a breakout, too. We'll see. Hi, what's good, JJ? First time here. Do you do live streams often? Yeah, man, I'm live every single night. Same time every night. Right now. Yo, what's good, Bugs? Welcome back, my man. So logic, you going short there. Yeah, Crude is holding a pretty decent range here, so I was just literally trying to short the range. We keep rejecting 91, 50s, 60s, so generally trying to get short there, then hopefully be getting out around these lows, but it just didn't. It held the midpoint. Doesn't mean we can't come back and then get there, but the range trades, man, they're a little tricky. Giveaway when? Giveaway when we get 300 likes. Giveaway when we get 300 likes. Like it's holding the range so well. It's just man, he's hard when you just want a cleaner move to the lows. Let me get out of it. This is the least clean move we've seen from the highs. If we do get back to the lows, like how many wicks there is here. Every other time we're up here, it's just clean turnarounds. The one time we try it, it's just so wicky. Do the giveaway now and they will hit like later? Heck no. Heck no. We need 300 likes now. We're almost there. Look at the previous move from the highs. They were cleaner than this, bro. That was clean. That was like a clean turnaround. 1 candle turnaround. 3 candle turnaround. 1 candle. 2 candle. 7 candle. This is the move we tried. 7 candle turnaround. I would argue that those are pretty clean turnarounds to take the highs of the range. And then we have this. What else can you do? You just have to wait now, bro. You just have to wait. Yo, Sanjay, appreciate the follow. Appreciate the follow, my man. Where did we get into this range trade? 44. We'll get there, bro. Yeah, 35 likes. Everybody on TikTok, if y'all want a chance to win 2 free Lucid accounts, well, one person's gonna win 1 Lucid account. We're not giving 2 to the same person. Go to the YouTube channel, BPC Trades. Hit the like button on the stream. Crude is being a menace right here off the mid 91s. What is Lucid? Lucid's one of the best new prop firms out right now. They have instant payouts, easy rules. It's a prop firm. It's a futures prop firm that allows you to trade with their capital and potentially earn payouts. So one of y'all is going to get a free account just for hanging out with me. One of y'all is get 2 of y'all actually. I'm wondering if we're going to have issues with the trying to get somebody from the YouTube comment because they're going to need to be in the stream, but how we select, we'll get into that when we get into that. That'll be, we'll talk about it in a second. Once again, one of the, I will say this one, we'll do the other one at the moment in time. One of the account giveaways, guys, you have to go to the recent video I just posted on YouTube, like it, and comment the word reversal. I'm going to pick a random YouTube chatter from that one, and then we'll talk about the other one when it's time. It's a flex account, which is arguably better. Flex account's better, in my opinion. Dude, this is the choppiest night ever. And once again, man, if y'all don't win, you can still get a really deep discount if you've never used Lucid before and you want to get a prop firm evaluation account. Lucid's a great company to go with. If you've never bought an account with them, use code BPC 50% off. I think your first 2 purchases with Lucid. But 2 of y'all will win a free account, so maybe just wait, see if you do. If not, we've got more coming. So just it sucks that not everybody can win. This PA is horrible. Like, I'm considering maybe taking a range trade again on Crude, but I just, gross. Yo, Junji with the follow. Meyond, God, y'all's names are hard to pronounce. Mayad, appreciate the follow. Once again, guys, go to this recent video and comment the word reversal and like it. I'm going to pick one of y'all from there. Then the other one, we'll just do like we'll do a thing where we do like exclamation mark raffle, but not yet. Not yet. Decent move on gold here, holding the VWAP. We have the top of the hour in like literally 3 minutes. Things might get a little fidgety up here. I appreciate that elevated. Oh crap, we're almost there, chat. We are almost there. We can make, let's do it. Let's get to once again 300 likes. We're doing a giveaway. Let's make things interesting here. Got nothing better to do. All right, let's see, because we're about to have the top of the hour here in 3 minutes. Oh boy, we're almost there. Crazy barcode. Insane. Insane barcode right now. I was in a crude short from the top of the range, but like just, ugh. It's just so hard to get anything here. Also, guys, if y'all wanted to get started with any prop firm evaluation accounts to potentially earn a payout, man, you can get started for as little as $50 on some of these evaluation accounts. I think My Fund of Futures has a plan that's like $50, $60. Use code BPC with them. Take Profit Trader. Payouts as early as day 1 in the funded stage on TPT. Lucid, Alpha, Apex, 90. I think Apex is 90% off right now. I have to double check. All code BPC. Yeah, literally, I think it's 85. It's 85. My apologies. But they have the new end of day accounts, end of day trailing drawdown accounts. Don't have to worry about that intraday anymore. All right, we got top of the hour in 1 minute. What payout systems My Fund of Futures and Lucid used? Lucid definitely uses Rise. RISE, and I can honestly say I've never been paid out My Fund of Futures. I'm a horrible trader when it comes to that firm. Bad luck with them. I think they have Rise too, though. I believe, yeah, I think they do. Besides TPT, which prop firms have daily payouts? The things with the daily payouts, guys, you just have to understand that most of those accounts are going to be intraday trailing drawdown accounts. But to answer that question, My Fund of Futures has daily payout in their rapid accounts, but that's an intraday trailing drawdown account. Start giveaway, bro. Demand that again and see what I do to you. Hold on, did we get there? All right, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, let's give it a couple minutes. I want to see how this pans out at the top of the hour, then we'll do a giveaway. Bro, I can sense the hostility and that you're here for the giveaway and the giveaway only. Bro's like, do the giveaway so I can get off this lame ass stream. I got you, bro. Give me a second. In fact, I've kind of forgotten how to do it. Let me see. It's like I forget how to do the giveaway. No giveaway. All right. This crude trade is kind of rolling over here. NQ's climbing. NQ's climbing. Dude, if NQ keeps ripping through 70s here, crude might get a little dumpy. I'm not going to lie. All right, I'm in crude. I'm going to try to get 40 cents on it real quick. See if we trade back to the lows. All right, let's do this giveaway. Let me figure out how to do it. I forgot. I think it's widgets. I like NQ breaking out here for a crude reversal. Probably back into the 80s if we can get it. Yep, here we go. We're losing 20s. Let's get it. Let's get some follow through. All right, let me see. Does anybody know on Streamlabs? I think I've done this before. All right, give me 1 second. Bow, bow, bow. All right, giveaway. I've done this once before, and I always seem to forget how to do it. Is it CloudBot, right? Yeah, CloudBot. CloudBots. Giveaways right here. All right. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Are you ready? Okay, here's what we're going to do. Yes, select that. Must be a follower. You have to be subbed, first of all. Okay. Confirm. 1 second, chat. All right. All right, so it should be exclamation mark raffle. Let's do this. Exclamation mark raffle, bro. Come on. Come on, man. Why are y'all so slow? I've never seen people this slow to do exclamation mark raffle. It should be exclamation mark raffle. Why is nobody entering? Wait, chat, nobody's entering. Wait. It must be a different word. Wait. What's the keyword, chat? Oh, here we go. Okay. Exclamation. You guys might break the stream. Let's go. 1 entry per person, guys. You have to be subbed. Exclamation mark raffle. Come on. The crude trade is kind of cooking a little bit here. Just a little bit. Let's go, guys. Come on. Giving away Lucid Flex 50K eval for free on YouTube. I mean, literally for free. Come on now, bro. Cook up, chat. Cook up. Exclamation mark raffle. If y'all are in TikTok, you're simply not in the right spot. You got to be on YouTube. BPC Trades on YouTube. You could literally win a free account. All you have to do is go to the YouTube and type in exclamation mark raffle, man. Come on. Appreciate y'all for getting me to 300 likes, guys. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. Thank you. Once again, guys, just do it one time. It's not going to give you double entries or anything like that. I know you may think that you have a better chance of winning if you do it twice, but I promise you don't. All right, guys. Push it, push it. Let's get how many viewers do we have in here? Let's definitely get as many entries as we have. We want everybody to win. Only one of y'all's gonna win. All right, we got 400 people in here. Let's do. We want 400 entries. Let's do four. Well, we're not gonna get 400 entries. What's our realistic amount of entries? Let's get 300 entries in here. Once again, guys, if y'all are totally dazed and confused, we are doing a giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed and type in !raffle, and you will be entered into the giveaway. Okay, !raffle. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. TikTok, why are y'all still in there? You need to be in the YouTube right now. Run it, guys. Run it, run it. Let's get 300 entries. We'll get 300 entries. !raffle. And while y'all are doing this, we're not gonna do the giveaway for another 5-10 minutes before I close the poll or the entries. While y'all are doing this, if you want to enter into a different giveaway that we're about to do, then go to my YouTube channel and this most recent video, comment the word reversal and hit the like button. We'll do this one in probably another 30 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna ask y'all a question. How many ducks would y'all like to have in the duck race? How many ducks in the duck race? Waffle? Design waffle? !waffle. 300 ducks, 7 ducks, 7 ducks, 10 ducks, 2 ducks, 10 ducks. All right, let's get to 300 entries. Let's get to 300 entries. What's going to happen is I'm going to take 10 names, I think, and then we're going to put those 10 names in a duck race, and whoever wins the duck race will win the account. I like that idea. All right, we got 70 more. Let's get 70 more entries. I mean, we only just opened it up 5 minutes ago. Still got some entries coming in. NQ dumping, really? No, it isn't. Your lot. Well, not really. It's 10 points lower. Tell you what's happening. This crude trade is chopping me to bits. Oh, goodness. Yeah, NQ is kind of dumping, Loki. All right, we're still waiting. We need let's get to like at least 250 entries. Let's get at least to 250 entries, guys. All right, let me get the duck race like set up and ready to go. Duck race. All right, we're doing 10 ducks. 10 ducks. We'll give y'all a couple more minutes to finish entering in the giveaway. This crude trade's chopping me up. Straight chopping me up. Look at this hourly. Oh, this is so bad. I am literally liquidity right now, bro. I am literally liquidity. All right, guys, we're going to keep it open for a couple more minutes. In fact, I'm probably going to go to the restroom, and then when I come back, we'll close it, and then we'll see. We'll do the duck race. All right, anybody just joining in? Exclamation mark raffle. Hopefully you're not just joining in. All right, I'm going to go to the restroom. When I come back, we'll close the entries off. Okay, guys? Exclamation mark raffle. Everybody, let everybody know while I'm gone. Everybody, let everybody know while I'm gone. I don't want to leave this trade, but I have to. All right, I'm going to leave it for a second. I'll be right back. No, bro. Let me go to the bathroom, Knight. Nah, y'all are going to get the duck race. We're letting everybody get in there. There's still a lot of people entering is the thing. Exclamation mark Waterbury. 250. All right, we'll close the entry at 9:15. Okay, guys? I'll be right back. Y'all behave. Watch my trade for me. Cover this trade for me, please, if it hits stop loss. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all are lucky y'all have such a friendly streamer who's in such a good mood, even though I'm down $350 trading this just grinder of a choppy, just woodchucking beaver, just chopping wood, just choppy market, bro. But I'm still in a great mood because somebody's finna win an account. Let's go. All right, let's end this thing. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right, we're picking, once again, 10 winners, guys. Yep. 10. Ooh, ain't good. All right, let's go. Hold on. Hold this here. Oh, we got some more entries. All right, let's pull this out of the way. All right, so we're going to pick, let me pull my notepad up. 10 winners. 10 wieners. All right, I'm closing the, I said 2 minutes, didn't I? 2 minutes. We'll give it 2 minutes because I did say 9:15. 1 more minute. Everybody hit exclamation mark raffle. That's all you got to do. That crude trade kind of flipped. Yeah, it did, bro. I'm getting chopped to pieces. I am in the wood grinder today. You know what's crazy, though? I still very much believe in it. I still very much believe in it. All right, I think everybody's about entered. We have 275 entries. Let's get it. All right, guys. Let's close the entries right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, everybody got their entries in? I swear I'm not trying to edge y'all. It's just like it's not 9:15 yet. Now it's 9:15. All right, here we go. We closed it. Now we're gonna select 10 of y'all, put you on a duck race. Whoever comes out on top wins the account, man. I know it's a process, but hey. All right. So now what we do? I think we can go back. Okay, now view account. Okay, how do we... I think we need to refresh. All right. How do we I know there's a way to like pick winners. I feel like, oh, here we go. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right. Once again, you'll have to be in here, man. And y'all, dude, I'm not hoping this, but okay, Jamal with the first entry. We have had situations where somebody got selected and won the duck race and they weren't here, so we had to run another duck race. Pick winner. All right. We got Jamal, duck 1, Jamal. Hedgewin Zabala, duck 2. T-Bot, congratulations. Well, not yet, but you are eligible for the duck race. Echad. No more exclamation mark raffles, guys. Got Des USA. This is our 5th duck. Our 5th trader duck. Real Robot. 6. That's 6 ducks. We need 4 more. Lone Hustler. All right. Tijuan Handsome. All right, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 3 more. 808 JC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 9. One more duck. Moon America. All right, we've got everybody now. I can delete these ats, I think. All right, guys, we're going to get y'all set up in the duck race right now. Once again, I appreciate everybody for hanging out with me in the damn stream every night. Man, y'all are awesome for that. All right, I'm going to pull this to the side. Congratulations to those 10. Y'all are about to compete in the most exhilarating duck race you've ever been a part of, bro. Ladies and gents. All right, that look good? Everybody ready? Guys, if you're not in this list, we're still doing another giveaway after this, bro. Just be chill. All right, man. Y'all ready? All right. Liz, you want to come see the duck race? All right, fine. She don't want to see the duck race. All right. How long? Let's do like a 2-minute race. Boom, boom, boom. On your marks. Get set. Go. Oh shit. 1 second. All right, sorry guys. All right, let's go. Who's gonna win it? If you're in the race, comment down in the comments. If you're in the race, comment in the comments. The crude trade is just BSing. We're still in it though. We're still in the crude trade. Maybe we'll do this. Who's in it? Oh, there's Robot. I see Robots in there. Moon America too. T-Bot. Everybody in here. Quack. Jamal? Okay. Let's go. T-Bot's in the lead. Robot's right there. Got a minute left. We're waiting for a crude trade to get stopped out. My duck's slow. Bro, trust. It's not so much about who's leading the beginning, I've noticed. Honestly, if I was leading the beginning, I'd be a little worried. Look at this, Lone Hustler. There you go, Moon. Now you're in like 3rd. Who's going to win it? I'm not going to lie. The slowest duck right now is... the slowest duck... Oh, wait. Hold on. Come on, Crude. Work with me. Dress USA T-Bot. Schwan Handsome. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. I should not have done a 2-minute race. It's taken forever. 2 minutes is a long time. Look, like everybody's in the back. Who's it going to be? 10 seconds. Top left of the screen. Who's that? There's T-Bot. I feel like T-Bot's going to win. T-Bot's going to win. T-Bot's going to win. T-Bot's going to win. Congratulations. All right, guys. I'm sorry not everybody could win. There's T-Bot taking his victory lap. All right. All right. All right, so this is what it's going to be, T-Bot. Congratulations. For what I need from you is, I believe you're in the chat. Let me confirm. Yes, you're in the chat. Okay, T-Bot. Are you in my Discord? T-Bot, are you in my Discord? Because that would make it easy. Let me know. Congratulations, T-Bot. I would say congrats. Once again, guys, we're doing another giveaway. I said I would. I said we'd do another giveaway. If y'all keep showing up like this every night, hanging out with me, honestly, they may never end. You're in. Okay, you can join really quick. I got you. Let me send the invite. Bro Loki should be in the Discord, though. I'm not even gonna lie. Nah, good win there. All right, let me send this invite. Let me send this invite. All right, bro. Send join that, and then DM me if you know how to. You know how to DM me on the We're still in this Crude trade. This is a work of art. T-Bot got booted. He didn't get booted. He probably just got muted. Yeah, bro. So DM me on Discord. Here's what I need you to do. DM me a picture of your YouTube handle. That's all I need. DM me a picture like of your a screenshot or a picture of you being logged into your YouTube account, okay? That's all that I need. And congratulations. All right, guys, we're going to give it 30 minutes and try to hit another like goal. Then we're going to do another giveaway. NQ's pulling back. Crude might get us out here. Okay, so T-Bot, I'm assuming you heard that. The instructions is DM me on Discord a picture of you being signed into your YouTube account, your YouTube handle. That's all you got to do, and then I'll send you it over. And then yeah, Discord, man. If y'all want to join the Discord, you totally should, because that's kind of how I think most of the people in the stream here, most of the traders in the stream, kind of understood what we were doing tonight, because I make the announcements in the Discord when we do these giveaways. Here's what we're doing for the next giveaway, because I'm doing 2 tonight. We'll do these 2. How are we still in this Crude trade? Crude's the biggest edge ever. All right, guys, for the last giveaway, this is the one I've been saying all night, man. Go to this video, this most recent video, like it, and comment the word reversal, and also watch it, bro, because there's some very educational, very simplified price action concepts in there for reversal trading that is, honestly, I think it would benefit everybody. Coming from the guy who's down $300 tonight, I know that's ironic, right? But hey, I'm telling you, definitely watch that video. But if anything, just like it, be subscribed to the YouTube, and comment the word reversal. And we're going to pick a random comment in there. me trying to suggest you watch educational content whenever I'm down 400 buckaroos. Not an easy sell. Not an easy sell. Yeah, this Crude trade might be okay, though. I'm not going to lie. We in the Discord. Are we in the Discord rolling? Let's go. All right, we'll give it like 15 minutes and do a different giveaway here. So if y'all didn't win that last one, you can still win this next one. Well, it's just gonna be. We're not gonna do a duck race on it. It'll just be one comment. It'll just be one person. 400 people. Like, let's get to 400 likes. We'll do this last giveaway. Let's get to 400 likes. We'll do this last giveaway. NQ looks like it's potential to go down. So does Crude here. Yeah. NQ looks a little worse for wear than Crude. I like the NQ sells too as well. It's just, I think more often than I just think we'd probably just chop around on anything here. To be honest, everything's chopping right now. Dude, honestly, if y'all use Kick, bro, go follow me on Kick as well. I know I'm asking a lot, but hey, you can get anything when you got giveaways. You got account giveaways. You can get anything. So much leverage with these bad boys. Send your link for Kick. Good idea. I don't know. I feel like YouTube would not like that though. I'm not gonna. It's just BPC trades. I don't know. I feel like YouTube would not like that. I'm superstitious. The YouTube audience is so good already. I don't want to do anything to stun it. Got 400 people in here, man. Nice. Okay, here's what I'll do. I'll do this so people know what's up. All right, new pin message. Comment reversal on the that way I don't have to keep repeating myself. That's how you get into the next account giveaway. God, I'm sure people are about to spam this chat. It's not this chat. It's the most recent YouTube video. All right, guys. Let's see, Crude. Do you want to get interesting for us? NQ's falling off a cliff. Look at this move. Not the craziest move, but it's getting interesting. 30s to 20s here on NQ. Session lows are at 285. We are kind of cliff diving there. Yeah, I can link it up in the appreciate that, champ. All right, guys. All right, we'll do it at 9:45. We'll do this next giveaway. Bro, this Crude trade is just, I mean, the range is ranging. You can't deny. The range is ranging. Evening. How you doing, Genuine? How's it going? Damn, bro. Big size trader. What's that? What's wrap? Was it down 14K up 20K? What the? Nice, bro. Noise. I think we officially picked the most boring market. I officially picked the most boring market to be in a trade in on crude. Good lord. All right, guys, we're doing the last account giveaway of the night in about 15 minutes. Go in that recent YouTube video. It's educational reversal video, price action video. Comment the word reversal, hit the like button. Got to be subscribed. What is NQ looking like? NQ's getting smashed here. We might break the session lows here if we don't find buyers around 300, to be honest. We just keep seeing these continued failed breakouts. Just sellers stepping so aggressively every time this market gets a little bit of strength. It is not good. Not good. Yeah, NQ is diving off a cliff. 300s might break here on NQ. We'll see if that 285 session low holds on NQ. Man, we were in a trade here on NQ at like 70 short, but I ended up, well, we got in on this one and then I took it, and then it took like another hour and a half to set up again. Looking for this bigger move, but I don't know if I would have had the composure to hold for that long, to be honest. All right, there's 298. This thing is just coming down aggressively now. I wonder if we just snap through this low at 285. Sure, Crude is just super eager to break out of this range, seeing the weakness on NQ. Yeah, this thing's flying lower. I'm sure Crude is just on the edge of its seat to break this range here. Yeah, we might just slice through the session lows here. This thing is not slowing down at all. Diving right now, 279. Wow. Look at this hourly on NQ. This thing is moving. 100 points. And it's only, most of that move has been in the last, 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm sure Crude is just waiting to just break out here. It's hard to ask Crude to stay contained in this range when you see NQ selling like this. Not gonna be surprised if Crude breaks out here. It's hard to ask it to stay in this range. Seeing NQ literally cliff dive here. Very hard to ask that. Very difficult to ask that. There it goes. Took the highs. What can you do? I mean, whenever NQ flies off a cliff 100 points in 15 minutes, it's hard to ask that range to hold. All right, NQ's still selling off. Is anybody trying to catch this low on NQ? $140 points to go to get to the extreme lows of the range. Our next support is at like 40 points. Nobody wants it. Nobody wants the dip. Nobody wants the dip. I don't hate trying to take a dip buy if this wants to hold range here. It's most of what we do in this market is hold range. But we are selling off. insane, right? Just out of nowhere. We got to be down like, what, 150 points? No, not quite. Like 100 points from this high. I don't see any news. I don't think there is news, man. I think this market just has an overwhelming weakness to it that just cannot hold. All right, the lows are at 267. Are we going to hold on NQ here? Crude is like not really breaking out too strong, but if NQ wants to keep, I mean, NQ's getting smashed, bro. Look at this thing. It's like flying. There's got to be news on this. Got to be news on this. Are we gonna break? Are we gonna break the hourly lows here on NQ? I don't see anything. Well, things are getting interesting now. We might be able to get active here. 227 bounce scalp. Yeah, the hourly lows. Waiting to see what this reaction looks like. Let's see, because we're about 20 points off the lows. If we get back down to 40s, this is we might see a break of the hourly lows here, to be honest. It's holding pretty well off the 40s. It's holding pretty well off the 40s, but I don't hate where we are in the daily either. Leave a wick right here. I don't hate it. No way. I hate when the camera goes out, bro. I hate it. All right, we're back. I want to get, okay. Let's see if we break 40s here. This thing's getting smashed right now. We've definitely had a slowdown here, but we just bounced 20 points. We might give it all back. We might give it all back. We might hold these hourly lows here, though. All right, I'm going to get into a long, see if we can break the 70s here. I like that higher low. That's aggressive buying off the higher low at 50s. If this really turns around, we would like to go see back above 300s here in the short term. Let's see how strong this bounce can be. If we try to break out again and fell and aggressively sell back into this, I'll probably just get out manually. I want to see us distance ourselves from this low a little bit here, to be honest. Start to create a trend. A lot of this going off that higher low that just held at 54. So we want to see that hold. We slowed down a lot here in the 40s. We need to get above like 270s, 280s. But this hourly could be good if we could leave a wick and then reclaim that previous structure we just broke below at like 294 right here. I'm willing to give it a shot. I think we'll cut. I mean, if we don't start to see what we want, we'll cut it pretty damn quick. So I like that idea. Yeah. Decent little bounce. We're on like alert for maybe a potential lower high forming here and selling back down. If we can start to kind of hold the 70s here, this might look better. Let's see if we can hold 70s here. We're looking for an aggressive reaction off of these lows. I mean, if this trades back into like the low 50s, it just gets a little yucky. Holding 70s as of now. Anybody trying this one? This runs through 80s. We're going to start looking pretty damn good to hold this hourly low here. Yeah, I'm starting to like this better. We break out with volume here would be perfect. We want to see this high get taken here at 83. And let's get that just strong drive through the 80s. Want to see 300s get So what you're looking for when we take that previous low on the hourly is we're looking for that previous low to now get reclaimed. So we want to see above 80s, which is pretty much right here. This structure needs to be reclaimed. And then as it comes down to retrace, we want to hold it as support and then bounce. That's what we want to do. So far, this is looking damn good. The hourly candle still has about 15 minutes on it, too. A little bit more, actually. Let's push the 80s here. Let's get past 80s here. Okay, I got filled on two more. My stop is right under this low at 73. Playing it pretty tight, but to be completely honest, if we don't get a really aggressive reaction here and get back above 300, we could set a range at the lows. We need an aggressive reaction here, to be honest. So I don't mind trying to tighten it up and scale into this one. We're looking for 300s. Do we get taken out? Possibly, but I'm expecting an aggressive reaction right here. We're already up 40 points from the low, so this looks good to keep going. It's just a matter of if we can keep going without tagging us out first. But I'm liking this push into that previous structure. When you see buyers hold and then push higher through 300s here. This could get really, really clean if we can bounce back past 300. This could get really clean. Seeing some strong buying. Gotta hold 90s. I'm liking what we're seeing. It's just a clean trend. High 80s pushing, 90s pushing. I want to see this pop above 300 before any decent pullback here, because we just took these highs here. I want to see like really small retracements. I think we're in a decent enough position to try to hold this break even, to be honest, for a bigger move. For a bigger move. Here we go. I want to see 300. I think we see 300s pretty confidently before a decent pullback, if any at all. I mean, what I'm liking about this is we tap into that demand zone on the hourly. We leave a wick, aggressive buying. Once again, we reclaim these lows. Now you'd want to see this hourly candle close with the wick, and then you want to see the body of this hourly candle close back above that previous support level that we just wicked under. And this is looking good so far. 300s here. We see if we can survive this pullback. We'll see if we can survive this pullback. I think we have a damn good trade for this hourly to flip and then run back through 320s, 330s and pull back in that prior range. I want to just hold it. I may be called a goofball for not locking in profits, but I'm just going to hold it. Maybe it's a bad decision, maybe not. We'll see. Dude, my camera keeps going. Hold on, my camera keeps going lower. I don't know why. I'm not gonna mess with it right now. It keeps going lower though. Okay, guys. After this trade, whether we win it or lose it, we're gonna do another giveaway. Whether we win it or lose it. We'll see if we're lucky enough not to get taken out break even, but I like this trade a lot. It's just a matter of if we get taken out break even or not, to be honest. We might. I would not be surprised. It's been very hard to get into trade and hold it break even, but I really like the potential of this, to be honest. I really do. But once again, I'm not going to be surprised if it gets taken break even. Can't hold any hostility towards it if it takes me out break even, to be honest, because I know how this market wants to trade. But in this situation, I'm going to take that dice roll. I'm going to take that dice roll and see. This hourly is going to close in about 10 minutes. That's a good way to put it. I like the trade. Yeah, I like the prospect of it, but yeah, if NQ wasn't so poop, we would see more follow through more often. Yeah, that's the issue. Like I'm not gonna be surprised if this doesn't give us follow through and it takes me up break even. But I'm gonna give this a chance here. I really do like it. Yo, Gray, appreciate the follow on YouTube. Go one way, rip the other, stop you out. It's 100%. 100%. Might be the case. Might be the case. Dude, it is hard to hold trades in this market. I'm starting to really second guess if I even want to try to bother holding it. If we don't break it soon, I know that hourly's coming up. It's so hard to hold trades in this market, man. Like, it actually takes the confidence out of you. You know what I mean? It takes the confidence right out of you. So much struggling, bro. Struggling. All right, I'm just gonna get out of it, man. It's hard to hold trades in this market, which really sucks. Like, it's very, very, very difficult. We'll see in about a couple minutes if that was the right decision or not. I'm sure it was the wrong one, but it's so hard to hold trades. It is so hard to hold trades. Like, this thing looks like it's trying to climb Mount Everest. Just fucking pop above 300, bro. For a second. Good lord, it's so difficult. It's so difficult. It's difficult. It's difficult. I mean, these trades are easy. It's just like the timing's random on them, but if you can get in, like the boom, 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 easy. Let's see if we were wrong about this. I wouldn't have looked for much. Probably like partial out of 5 here. And then if we do get the full reversal back into the range, like the rest, like as we kind of reapproach the previous support, I wouldn't have looked for much. And that's the issue for me, is like, I'm not looking for much, but we can't even get a sliver. We'll see what happens here. We ended up getting out at like 86. It's just, I've started feeling uneasy about it coming into that new hourly too. Nah, you just lack patience. There you go, champ. Is it that, or is it that this market literally doesn't have direction, so it's hard to get follow through in your trades? I think the latter. If you zoom out, it's still stuck in the range. Yeah, but where has it been bouncing? Where has it been bouncing on the hourly? Right here. And we took a winning trade on it. Still down on the session. Just look at Crude going a little bit here. All right. New hourlies in 4 minutes. We'll do the giveaway at the top of the hour. Do the giveaway. Tough for trend trade. It's just tough for any trade. Like, it's just tough. Just tough for any traders, honestly. Well, if we break here, we made the wrong decision. If we break here, we made the right decision. I feel like we may have made the right decision. Yeah, I think we did. I think a good rule of thumb is just expect that the market's gonna give you, like, if you get up green, just take it, because you know damn well the market's gonna come back for you. Although what I will say is we took a short so early. We took a short literally here, like way earlier in the session. I ended up getting out of it because once again it's just hard to hold too long. So I took that. It was kind of set up for a range trade. Anyways, took that. Then we never came back. Like, we came back and tested that entry once before this big move, but how could I have ever known, right? I mean, I saw potential for a trade like this on the higher time frame, but it's like you're not exactly sure when you're going to get these bigger follow-through moves. So that's the one trade that would have worked if we didn't just lock up profit. But yeah, I don't think I would have had enough composure to hold it that long anyways. What kind of BS is this? What happened, bro? Did you get stopped out of a long? The market just doesn't want to give it to you. This market sucks. All right, Joe, want to do the giveaway? I don't think we're going to be able to get back green. I don't think there's enough opportunity. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, SNK Buns. Appreciate, bro. All right. Y'all know the drill for the next giveaway, right? How many viewers do we have in here, bro? Just a ton? Literally just a casual 420. 382 likes. Y'all are crazy. All right, let's get to 400 likes once again, guys. We're gonna do one last giveaway for the night. I'm in the red tonight. Hopefully, y'all can take these. One of y'all can win this eval and do better than me, man. All right. So here's the deal. This most recent video. First of all, you should watch it because there's a lot of great education in there. Second, all you gotta do, hit the like button. Literally do this for me. Hit the like button, comment reversal, and let it run in the background, bro. Let it run in the back. Let it run in the background as good karma that you may win. Use it as good karma, letting the video play that you may win. If you believe in superstitions like that. I believe in it. We'll do the giveaway here in like 5 minutes. Once again, comment reversal on that video, not the stream, on that video. Appreciate that, G-Man. On that video. I don't know if I explained that. On the video I just showed you. You just have to be subscribed, hit the like button on that video, and comment reversal on that video, not this one. This one. We're going to pick a random comment. Well, this has been awesome, man. We've given away one account so far. We're going to give away another. What would make me happy is if we could get green. All I want to do is get green. Yo, Robson, ML on, CFA, appreciate the follows, guys. We're going to do the giveaway in a second. Gold is aggressively pulling down to the lows of its range here on the 5-minute. Sellers slamming gold right now. NQ's trying to pump. They just have to make NQ like feel so uneasy right here before it actually does what it wants to do. Thing feels like it wants to fall off a cliff a little bit. There's your hourly open on NQ. Not much of a bottom wick. And we are going to be trying to fight through this previous strong hourly candle. This previous strong bearish hourly candle. We're going to try to fight through it. I mean, we need to see just a really clean strength on the buy side right here to make this look decent on this hourly candle, to be honest. It can happen, but just it's a tough one. Tough to think we don't start to see some wick action. Yeah, there's your wick. We'll see. We'll see if this candle wants to flip red. It flips red under 284. If it does flip red, we may go run the session lows. Once again, guys, on the recent YouTube video, go comment, reversal, hit the like button. One of y'all is going to win a Lucid Flex eval. Here you are. Do you want to pick somebody?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do this. I think we have...
my chair set up.
How do we look at the comments on it?
Where are we picking?
Just some random comment we're picking.
Just a
300. That's a lot of comments, bro. That's too many. Okay, so I think just like scroll. I don't know, like whatever. And then just,
should I like close my eyes, scroll?
Yes.
And
yes.
then
Do that. All right, y'all ready? Okay. No pressure. People are just gonna despise you if you don't pick them. That's how I feel when we do these giveaways. People are just gonna despise us if we don't pick them. All right, guys. It's not my fault if y'all don't get picked. It's hers. All right. So yeah, you can just like scroll, and then maybe keep scrolling because it gets refreshed, and then
I'll like hover the mouse, and then you can tell me if it's on a comment.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Once again, guys, if you win, congratulations. If you don't, use code VPC on Lucid. If you're a first-time user, 50% off instant payouts. You can activate the funded account. Whoever wins this eval, if you pass it, get it funded, you can activate it the same exact day and start trading funded as a funded trader. Okay, good luck. Liz is gonna scroll. It's not me.
Okay.
And there's a chance that whoever wins isn't in the stream. If that's the case, we got to reselect somebody. So we'll see. We will see.
Okay.
Go
Eyes
for
closed.
it. Go for it.
Okay. I'm scared. I don't even know if I'm like all the way down the page.
You're getting there. There's a lot of comments on this video. I wonder if they're gonna stunt the growth because of like, it seems like a whole bunch of bots are commenting.
Okay.
You think they'll stunt the growth?
Am I on one?
Go up or down a little bit and you'll kind of be on one, like on your mouse, like pointer. Okay, you're on somebody.
Okay. Can I look?
You can look.
Who is it?
Braden Scrogson.
No way.
Do we have a Braden Scrogson in the chat? Do we have a Braden Scroggins? If we don't, we're going to pick somebody else. We'll give him a couple minutes. Be looking for the name.
Okay.
Be looking for the name. There's a chance he won't be in here. There's a chance. A lot of them dropped out. I would not be surprised.
Hopefully not.
Because this isn't as structured as like, okay, we're all here, now enter the giveaway. This was like, people have been commenting this all day. But I did say that they have to, winner announced tonight. I did say that.
How long are you going to give them?
Just a couple more minutes. It shouldn't be a lengthy thing. You know?
Alright, and then we'll pick again.
Yeah, there's a chance to use a comment picker. I don't even know how to do that. I like the way we're doing it.
I like picking.
Yeah, I like the way we're doing this. We're not doing a duck race on this. We already did the duck race, guys. I don't see... Oh, we're going to give you 15 seconds. 15. 14.
It's like he
13.
comes in the last second.
12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. I don't see him. 3. 2. 1. No Braden Scroggins confirmed. Why are you clapping?
Because we can pick someone else.
All right, well... He did enter, but he wasn't here, so... And I get it. People probably eating dinner with his family. I don't know. Feel kind of bad, but... No. Okay. All right, we're going to pick somebody else. All right.
Okay.
Let's run the roll.
All right. Here we go.
Good luck. Good luck.
Okay.
Good luck. Shuje, good luck.
I'm trying to, like, really mix it up.
This is not on me, y'all. A lot of people said reversal, though. Dude, people want these damn accounts. People are, like, fiending for these evals. I feel you. Okay. No. This is so awkward because you're, like, over between two people. What?
Really? Okay, let me try again.
Oh my god, but I feel bad because, like, what if they saw you on their name and then...
I'm already gone from there. I don't know where I was.
You just need... Here's the next thing. The next time you scroll...
Yeah.
And your pointer lands and you're like, okay, how's this?
I don't know where the pointer is.
No, I know. That's what I'm saying. Let me tell you, okay, and don't scroll away.
Okay.
Just, no, it's okay.
Am I on a name?
You are on a name, yes.
Okay.
You know what I mean? She's like, her mouse is like in between people and I'm like, and then she just leaves. I'm like, maybe just like either choose up or down and like barely move. All right. Melvin Bormio 9053. Melvin Bormio 9053. This isn't the most structured way to do. I feel like this. Yeah, we didn't do this a structured way, but somebody in here eventually is gonna be in here. Melvin, if you're in here, comment. Melvin, if you're in here, comment.
Actually, the way to do this is go comment reversal a bunch of times, right? To get your comment there more?
I guess you could technically do that.
Whoa.
Do we? I know, bro. It's not an easy
You
one.
could technically, like, go and comment reversal.
YouTube
lots.
comment picker. Should we do that? I like what we're doing. I don't see a Melvin, bro. This is eventually somebody's gonna be here. All right, let's give him 10 seconds. Eventually somebody's gonna be here.
Go comment, guys.
Comment. Alyssa likes scrolling and picking. Yeah, that's better. I am Melvin. You're not Melvin. You're Drew. We don't have a Melvin. No Melvin. All right, let's try this again.
Okay.
Wait, what? I don't see Melvin.
I don't either.
All right, no Melvin. All right, let's try this again, bro.
Okay.
All right.
Third time's the charm.
Let me refresh. I think we're freezing. Wait. Okay. All right, man. Somebody's bound to win.
Okay.
Okay, now listen. If you're like, okay, how's this? Like, I'm going to tell you, and don't just scroll away. Like, just barely move the mouse up or down a little bit, and you'll end up on a name.
Okay.
Just choose that. All right, let's go.
Here we go.
I need a haircut. All right, you got it.
I like it.
Somebody's gotta be here. Dude, there is a lot of copy comments. Holy crap.
I'm like trying to
Go lower. Go lower.
Yeah, I feel like I've been doing that though. You know?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna like, I don't know, just do this and then I'll land on someone.
Tell me when.
Okay.
Oh, okay. This is fucking awkward because you landed on somebody who commented 4 times in a row.
Oh.
So like, you know what I mean? But it's
wait,
fair.
that means they're in the chat though.
Yeah,
right?
they just commented the shit 5 seconds ago. Is that fair?
I did say to do it.
I think it's fair.
I think so.
All right, open your eyes.
Who is it?
See what I mean? They commented 5 times in a row.
Well, so I mean, I did say to go do that.
There's no limit on the comments, guys. We did say that.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We got more giveaways. There he is. Okay. Well, stop moving.
Oh my goodness.
Stop moving.
Popular.
All right. Okay, bro. You're in the Discord. Oh, look. Bro's live trading. Too many indicators. All right. Come on, bro. Just kidding. Are you in the Discord? Yeah. Okay. Send me an Instagram, send me a Discord DM of you signed into your account, kind of like this, what I'm looking at right now. Okay, man? And I'm going to get you. I'm going to give you that 50K Lucid Flex eval, bro. Congratulations. Everybody say congratulations. I've got more giveaways tomorrow night.
I am the comment picker.
We've got more giveaways tomorrow. Whenever we're not doing YouTube comments, we do the exclamation mark raffle, and it's pretty chill. But I don't mind that. I don't mind that. Okay, so here's the recap. We lost $200. Some of y'all got free accounts. W stream. How many likes did we get? Oh wow. Huh?
Oh my goodness.
How many likes did we get? Wow, 410 likes, man.
Wow.
Okay, guys. That's all from us. Y'all keep showing up like this. We're going to keep running giveaways all the time. Let's go. All right. Once again, guys, hopefully y'all continue trading well. Use code BPC on all props for the best discount. And we will see y'all tomorrow night. We'll do another giveaway tomorrow night. Show up. All right, guys. Want to say bye? I'm going to be looking for those Discord messages to get those coupon codes sent over, all right? Say bye.
Good night. Bye-bye.
God bless y'all. Take it easy. Oh, send you the link to the Discord. Okay. Man, y'all need to start being in the Discord. I'm not going to lie. How much, like, do y'all really even like me when you're not in the Discord is what I'm wondering. Y'all need to be in the damn Discord. There you go, bro. Maybe that'll be a new requirement from now on. All right, join the Discord. Send me the direct message of your YouTube name, and I will get that sent over. Good luck on the eval as you trade it. Don't full port it, and take it slow. All right, guys, we're out of here. Take it easy, guys. God bless. See y'all in the next